Hey guys, I'm Salman and today I'm going to be unboxing the Lenovo Smart Display. So basically what this is, it's basically a Google Home but with a display, which makes it even better. This display allows for new functions such as YouTube, Spotify, Google Photos, Chromecast, Google Duo, and you can even turn on your overpriced hue lights with these. So let's start by taking this sleeve off. Honestly, I have no idea why they included this sleeve. It's trash. Okay. Bam. So, over here, this is the Lenovo Smart Display. Let's take this out. Beneath that, there's unnecessary paperwork, which I'm also going to throw away. And then beneath that, we have our cable, which we're going to use to power it up. But this whole thing is covered in plastic, which should have helped keep it safe in the box. So there's a tab over here, and I'm going to open it. And yeah, so I'm going to... So now this is also trash, so... And we're left with the display over here. On the top, there are two buttons. One is a mute switch and the other is to turn the volume up or down. On the side, there's a switch to disable the camera for security purposes. The speaker is equipped with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 624 and an 8-inch IPS display. Now I'm gonna take the plug out and turn it on. The home page displays the time and the weather. Sliding down from the top reveals a control panel which can be used to control lights and the media. Simply tapping the screen takes you to an information display. Shows the weather, what's upcoming on the calendar, and even Google News. Next, let's try to watch a YouTube video.
You do know my leg isn't a chew toy, don't you? Is this what you want? Yeah, go get it.
As you can see, the speaker is quite loud. Although the display is quite nice, I don't think it's ideal for watching YouTube. Because the phone is so much more convenient, and because the screen on your phone is likely to be much better than the screen on the Lenovo Smart Display. This doesn't mean the screen on the Lenovo Smart Display is bad. It's just that the screen on your phone is likely to be much better. Now let's try to activate Google Assistant. Hey Google, how's the weather?
Currently in Culver City it's 60 and clear. Tonight it's predicted to be 55 and clear.
Now let's try to do something more fun. Hey Google, tell me a joke.
Why can't you trust an atom? Because they make up literally everything.
Next, let's try to use a more useful feature. Hey Google, define palatable.
Here's the definition of palatable. A food or drink pleasant to taste.
As a student, this feature is especially useful because I often come across words I do not know. So this wraps up my Lenovo Smart Display unboxing. If you liked it, please hit the like button and subscribe. If you didn't, feel free to hit the dislike button. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope you enjoyed it.